I Am a Bird by Dana Walrath, illustrated by Jaime Kim, New York Times bestseller illustrator. I am a bird. I am a bird. I fly. Look at all the birds and their shadows too. I'm a fly. I land. I am land. I stretch to the sea. There's the land touching the sea. I am the sea. I crest. I am a crest. I warn. I'm a worn old shoe in the sand. There's the shoes in the sand. I am sand. I stick. I'm a stick. I float. I'm afloat on a fisherman's line. There's a line. There's a floating. I'm a line. I tug. I'm a tug. I tow. There's the tug towing the big ship, and there's the line. My toes get tickled by kelp. Tickle, tickle, tickle. I'm kelp. I branch. There's the kelp. I'm a branch. I snap. Snap. Look at the little crabs. I'm the snap of a crab's sharp claw. Snap, snap. I'm a claw. I burrow. The claw. The crabs burrow. I'm a burrow. I warm my hands in my wings. Oh, look, the bird's warming their hands with the sand, and the bird is also got his wings in the sand. Flap, fly, float high, snap, tickle, sway. I am a bird. I glide into arms open wide. I'm the hands that hold and the eyes that shine. And when it's you and it's me and the sea, the end.